Let's learn about cost models now. Imagine running a factory where electricity and storage cost depend on how long machines run and how much raw material is stored. Cost models in Databricks follow the same principle. Compute charges depends on cluster type and runtime, while storage charges depend on data volume and retention. This helps organizations plan budget by aligning workloads with the most efficient cluster choice. In practice, cost models ensures transparency and optimization, keeping pipelines powerful yet economical. I'll see you in our next lecture.